Hello, how you doing? My name is Sidney Sawyer III. I'm so excited about the year of vision. 2020 is a year of vision. I had a vision to be here at Springhill Toyota, helping and assisting people into new and pre-owned vehicles. See, you might have a vision to have a new or a pre-owned vehicle. Come see me down here at Springhill Toyota so I can help make your vision come to pass. If you have good credit, bad credit, college student, come see me. Let me assist you in getting a new vehicle. If you know anybody in need of a new vehicle, if you send them to me and they purchase, I will give you a $100 referral fee. Come see me down here at Springhill Toyota in Mobile, Alabama. I'm so excited and I'm waiting to see you. Let me assist you.